Hi, my name is Belinda Martin. I am 13 years old. I was born on April 4th, 2008 at the hospital in Moriah. I live in Quebec. I am Indigenous and speak English and could understand French and Mi'kmaq. I have two sisters. I have pets, a pug, a cat, and a ferret. I am also shy when it comes to speaking and reading out loud in school. I am a grade 7 student in New Richmond High School and have been there since kindergarten. I love sports like basketball, volleyball, and badminton. It's important to know what belonging means, and I feel like I belong at home with my family because we have lots in common and we share lots of personal things. What we have in common is our love of cooking and eating. Our love of sense of humor. We love each other and I feel safe in groups within my community. At school, I feel like I don't belong but also feel like I do because of how I do things differently from other students. Doing things differently and doing things my own way makes me feel like I belong in a way because I am being my true self and I don't change who I am in order to fit in. How I make others feel like they belong is that sometimes when scrolling on social media, if I come across a video or a photo that reminds me of one of my friends, I know they would appreciate it. I send it to them to let them know of how much they mean to me. When people make me feel like I belong by being friendly to me, I feel appreciated and loved.